check it out. We got the Mojave and a whole new spot to bash. Let's go have some fun. All right, what better place for a desert truck than, man, I can displace the gravel. Whoa! What?
Disturbing the peace.
Ain't no peace. Look at that thing go, man. Woo! That's exactly what it's designed for right there. Now I do gotta be careful about the amount of rocks I'm throwing up. I think there's a pretty good jump. Let's just try it off some of these smaller ones here. Oh, that's the one I want to jump it off of. Yeah, I don't think this thing's very much of a jumper though. It just doesn't. Oh, golly. That was harsh. Look what all those rocks are gonna do to the chassis, but oh no. Oh, good. Self-recovery mode. Man. I think the max slash right there would have been tumbling. Yeah, I saw like the satellite images of this campground and all the dirt, and I'm like, oh yeah. Now granted, like I said, I kind of wanted to bring the oh no, I wanted to bring the the Corrali, the Asuga, but I couldn't get the parts in time. Oh no, not the body, come on. Oh, look at this thing. It is built for this. Ah, yeah. Well, I gotta be careful. This thing be throwing rocks, man. It'd be throwing some rocks. The dust kicking up. Oh, that was cool. Hell yeah. Let's see. This is freaking awesome, man. Yeah, so you don't always have to be jumping cars 50 feet in the air to have fun. I mean, why do they have anti-sway bars and long suspensions and that if you ain't taking turns? Ooh. It ain't that loud. Yeah, I got a unrelated to this video, but I brought my boat out here and I really want to do it, but so far I've seen 2 gators at the same time out here. Once right here behind our campsite, and then I saw 2 more. So I'm really worried about, like, if the boat gets stuck, because see, there's a lot of loose stuff out here. Like, what if it gets stuck and I need to jump in? Or what if I come try to put it in the water? That's that can be fun. So I might just be oh no, ground pounding on this one. Look at this thing come. The Mojave. Oh. Whoa. Boy, that's some rough stuff. Oh. Dog. It's our dog. It's not like RC cars. Man, the Mojave, a little bit big to travel with, but man, I sure do love the 6S. I love the 6S stuff. I do. This is fun. Woo! Oh, I should have stayed on the gas and kept drifting it. That's what I should have done. Oh man, dude, this is a blast. This is where you got to have control. Ease on the power. Get that throttle. You know, some people think that doing jumps is all the... See what happens when you stay on the power and you slide it through that turn? You blast yourself, and the RC makes it. Or like that, you overdo it. Oh man, everyone, the Mojave. It's really hot out here. It's like 90 something degrees, so I'm pretty sure this thing's running pretty hot right now. I didn't set up the telemetry on this yet to give me temperatures, which I don't think it's going to. No, I don't have any of that yet. It does have a smart ESC in there, so I should have all that, but for some reason it didn't usually auto populates when you bind. This time it didn't. Yeah. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh. I don't want to scratch up that beautiful body. I don't want to scratch it up. All right, one last time. There you go. Just had to go full throttle for a second, bring that back end around. Same right there. All right, everyone. Hope you enjoy our little camping adventures here. Finding new places to go ahead and run these RCs. So for me and the Mojave, thank you for watching. Thank you for the support. Links down below if you want to help the channel out in any way. Oh, man. All right, everyone. Appreciate you, the support, watching, and all that. We'll see you in the next one.